I was sent a Pico 4 headset to try out, and I have to admit I was very shocked with just how much I love it. But why? What is it about the Pico 4 that makes it so lovable? Well, I thought of, instead of leaving those love hearts in my head, I would share them with you all, as today we go through the 5 things that I love about the Pico 4. First and foremost is the comfort that the Pico team really did accomplish when creating the Pico 4 headset. Now, I'm not going to go into a molecule by molecule breakdown, but if you are someone out there who has already tried the Pico 4, then you will know that slipping it on your head and leaving it there is a completely stress and headache free process. But how is this accomplished? Well, with the simplicity of weight distribution. With the visor at the front weighing a superbly light 295 grams and the 5300 mAh battery at the back, this takes away not only the pressure from your forehead, but also helps to stop the headset moving out of position whilst you are in the middle of fighting zombies or exploring another world. But working alongside this is of course the hard plastic but padded retractable strap. And this is what really does create the ease of use for comfort with the Pico 4. As with a quick rotation, you can loosen or tighten the headset in seconds, providing security as well of course as peace of mind. The pass-through on the Pico 4, well, it's a very nice option to have. I won't do a comparison to other headsets available in the VR market that only offer black and white pass-through, because there is no need, as the Pico wins hands down with its offering of full colour pass-through. To enable this as well, you don't have to push any buttons or get up from your VR armchair. You simply just double tap the side of the headset and this quickly releases you from your total immersion and back into the real world. And yes, you can have that sip of coffee, check the time, and if you get close enough, even read messages on your phone. The eye movement feature just makes sense, and I'm surprised that it isn't the basic formula for all VR headsets on the market. What I'm talking about is the Pico 4's motorised inter-pupillary distance adjustment. Now, on other similar devices, to make any adjustments you have to first of all remove the headset and then do it all by hand. But even still, this is even more limited because they usually only offer a few preset distances. But this simplistic and logical approach by Pico means you can remain in your VR world and operate the motorised movements of the lenses for an easy way to ensure you get that perfect 4K clarity vision. So what do you want when it comes to a VR experience? You already have the comfort, so surely one of the next things is visuals that will take you to a new and vast virtual world. And this is where the Pico 4 really does shine, thanks to its inclusive of the revolutionary Pancake lenses combined with 4K resolution. Now, in the past, VR has always relied on Fresnel lenses, which are cheaper, but they are also chunkier. However, Pancake lenses are not only thinner and lighter, but they also offer better clarity, bringing your VR experience to the next level. And if you are just lucky enough to do gaming on a home computer, then you can combine all of these technologies for the ultimate immersive experience. With 2160 by 2160 pixel resolution per eye, you simply cannot compete when it comes to an entry-level VR headset that can provide sharper and clearer visuals. And who could forget the number one true love about the Pico 4, which is of course the gameplay. After your easy setup with the head strap and the inter-pupillary distance adjustments, you have the comfort around your face and the tech for the visuals to stimulate your eyes. So we enter the always expanding library of games to choose from via the home screen menu, and with gameplay depending on the game of course, it is usually a lot of fun. And this is a combination of the controllers having a nice feel to them, the developers' time and effort in their game development, and the Pico team's hardware that unlocks the key to having you surrounded by a world of magic, a world of zombies, castles, sharks, plus a whole lot more. But if there is something else you fancy playing, then don't forget you can always access the Steam VR library via a PC with either a wire or wireless connection to your Pico 4 headset. And because of this extra power coming from your personal computer, this just intensifies your gameplay experience through slicker graphics and smoother images. But whatever games you do decide to play, you will pretty much always enjoy it. From the jump scares frightening you, puzzles trapping you, to the fitness and sports games helping you on your way to a healthier lifestyle. The possibilities of infinite fun and taking on new experiences every time you enter the gameplay world of virtual reality are quite literally endless. And there we go, that was the top 5 things that I really love about the Pico 4. But please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you love about the Pico 4 and of course virtual reality? Not forgetting to let me know which games you enjoy playing as well. Plus, if you enjoyed this video and you like tech, gadgets and VR, then please show your support to the channel by liking this video and of course subscribing. But until next time, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all at some point very soon. Thank you.